The Emirates of Qatar set aside funds in its 2020 budget for the spectacular Sharq Crossing designed by star architect Santiago Calatrava. The project will undeniably deliver one of the most breathtaking experiences available to motorists. The journey along Sharq Crossing and its interconnecting bridges in Doha Bay. Qatar's government is keen for the megaproject by star architect Santiago Calatrava to get underway at last, as the Swiss-Spanish construction artist and engineer presented the design back in 2011. Originally called Doha Bay Crossing in the master plan, the project has now been renamed Sharq Crossing. Costs for its construction were included in the Emirates of Qatar's budget proposal for 2020. It is said that the go-ahead for this multi-billion-dollar project is a sign of the country's confidence in its long-term growth, especially as local construction companies are set to receive new work as a result. The project is also due to create several thousand new jobs, both directly and indirectly. However, the go-ahead for the project must also clearly be seen in the context of Qatar's role as a host of FIFA World Cup in 2022. It is unlikely that the infrastructure mega project will be finished by then, though. Building is due to be completed within 4 years, which is not exactly a precise statement. The billion-dollar Sharq Crossing project will consist of 3 parts that are interconnected via an underwater tunnel. As specified in the original draft, the 3 Sharq Crossing bridges will cover lengths of between 600 and 1,310 meters. They will connect Doha's Hamad International Airport with Qatar Cultural Village in the north of the city and West Bay Financial District. Qatar's government has set aside 90 billion Qatari riyals, which is equivalent to 21.2 billion euros in the national budget for major projects. The leading business intelligence agency in the Middle East, MED, estimated the cost for Sharq Crossing alone at $12 billion. Government representatives say that the iconic ensemble is set to redefine Doha's skyline. 6,000 vehicles per hour are expected to be able to use and travel along Sharq Crossing. This would provide commuters with an easier route and also ease the burden on the Greenwich Coastal Road, which will also be redesigned and expanded. This important transport link displays a unique combination of efficient underground construction and iconic design. Plans submitted to Qatar's Ministry of Municipality and Urban Planning by Calatrava deviated from tunnel-only solution previously suggested, instead presenting a variant with a bridge at each of 3 ends of the tunnel system. Each bridge is connected to the transport system via a short tunnel underpass beneath the coastal area. The designs show the bridges emerging a short distance from the coastal before descending under the sea to join up with the main road tunnel. This allows each bridge to stand as an individual sculpture with its own character, as a reply to the neighboring city skyline, as it were. The 3 bridges and 2 tunnels cover a total distance of approx 12 kilometers. According to the experts at the construction company, tunnel engineering consultant that worked on preparation for the project, the marine interchange is of particular interest as a complex underground intersection. The most sophisticated part, West Bay Bridge, will have the largest arc span in the world and will connect the shore with marine interchange. The tunnel lengths have been kept short to reduce the cross-section and excavation requirements. According to the architecture Bureau Calatrava, long-term maintenance burden is also kept at minimum using comparatively simple mechanical system. Wherever the road rises and falls again, surrounded by the sea, it creates an island. The eastern island is extended to form a kind of belvedere with terraced levels and roofs offering spaces for various recreational activities as well as marina. The dual-level West Bay Bridge will include a park and a food outlets. Visitors can either stroll along the park-like glass walkway or cross the bridge in a funicular cable car, enjoying the spectacular scenery from a personal viewing cabin at 125 meters above sea level. Old Sharq Bridge, which lends its name to the overall project, is conceived as a tubular structure that spans the inlet adjacent to Doha's new airport. Guests to the city can enjoy a stunning first view of downtown Doha's skyline. One essential part of the project for Calatrava was preservation of the complete coastal area as a unit in the district of Doha. There is no question about it, the delicate white structure with its vibrant walkways and slender design looks decidedly impressive. Some experts believe that a question mark is left hanging over the project, though the fact that parts of the road which passes beneath and also above the water and runs both through closed tunnels and over bridges could be liable to flooding. This would require additional engineering and design solutions. Thanks for watching this video till the end, and do subscribe to the channel to get the latest update on construction videos around the world.